Good morning, this is Angela with Parker's Hausfrau. Today I wanted to share with you one of my simple strategies for saving a little bit of money in the kitchen. Now, I do a ton of baking. I make lots of homemade bread. I make a lot of biscuits and pancakes and all kinds of things that use buttermilk. And if you've been to the grocery store, you might notice that buttermilk is about 3 times the cost of regular whole milk in the grocery. So it really behooves you to make your own buttermilk at home. Now, buttermilk is one of the easiest things you can make at home. It doesn't require any extra heat. It just requires a nice room temperature situation and 24 hours. So let me show you how I make my own buttermilk at home and save on our food budget. So the equipment you'll need for this recipe is 1 clean linen napkin, 1 wide mouth canning ring, and 1 wide mouth quart canning jar. Specialty buttermilk starters can be purchased from places like Cultures for Health, but I actually use 1/3 of a cup of buttermilk from the store. Make sure you purchase a jar of buttermilk with active cultures. To the 1/3 cup of buttermilk starter, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of heavy cream. All of the extra fat in the heavy cream really makes the buttermilk rich and delicious. Now we've gathered all the ingredients we need except for whole milk. This recipe, as I said, requires no heating. You simply add the buttermilk starter to your clean quart jar. Then you add the heavy cream. My favorite kitchen tool is my spatula. It helps reduce food waste so much in the kitchen. So use that spatula and get all of the heavy cream and buttermilk out of the measuring cups and into the quart jar. Next time I need to go and start a round of buttermilk, I will save 1/3 of a cup from this mason jar and use that to start my next batch. Now we go through about 1/4 of buttermilk every single week because I use it in our favorite sandwich bread recipe as well as in biscuits and pancakes. So thank you for watching. Today I'm going to get back to my knitting. I'm working on a whole lot of knitting projects for an upcoming sale that I'm doing. And I'll be working on that, hopefully getting it finished this week. Fingers crossed. It's hard to find time to sit down and knit that's not late at night when my kids are asleep. If you enjoyed this video, please consider clicking subscribe. I am 10 subscribers away from being able to monetize this channel. So if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family, encourage folks who might be interested in the topic of ecological homemaking to subscribe to this channel. That would be fabulous. I'll be back next Friday. Thanks.